How to turn on auto rotate on Android screen rotation settings. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can turn on auto rotation in Android phone. So for that we will simply click on settings. So simply go to settings. So let's click on settings. Once we click here you guys will simply search for rotate. So I will simply search for rotate. Once I click on rotate, here you guys can see auto rotate. So simply click here. Once we click here you guys can see auto rotate. Also you guys can see toggle option. Simply turn on it. And once we turn on it, that's it. Our auto rotation will be on. Also there is another second method that was way easier. So for that you guys will simply scroll like that, and once you scroll like that, here you guys can see Bluetooth torch auto rotate. So simply turn on it, and that's it. That's how you guys can turn on auto rotate. Thanks for watching.